No, 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 don't do it. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Don't sell your home. Discover the shocking truth that real estate agents don't want you to know, unveiling the untold risks and hidden pitfalls of selling your home. This jaw-dropping exposure will make you think twice before handing over those keys. Brace yourself, as this could change the way you view home ownership forever. My name's Stephen Osborne. I'm a licensed realtor with eXp Realty in the great state of Texas. If you're thinking of selling your property, you've probably been talking to people and watching YouTube videos, thinking you could rent for a while, selling your home, maybe cash out. If you've talked to other agents, they probably told you we're at the top of the market right now. Your home's appreciating quite a bit the past few years, right? But is this a good long-term decision, right? Every time I've sold my home, I've regretted it. I know that. There are reasons that you may need to sell. Okay, recent deaths, properties in a trust, you're looking to sell and move on. Understood. Recent going through a divorce, you need to split the assets, pay legal fees. Makes sense. Relocation, moving for jobs closer to family, having kids, needing more space or downsizing. These all make sense. A really big mistake I see is trying to time the market. Don't try to time the market. Every day I talk to people or clients, and depending on, personal situations, I'm advising a handful of those clients not to sell. This just isn't the right time. Now, we just talked about not trying to time the market here, but we are past mid-November. If you want to sell and can hold off for a couple months, let's shoot for January. Get a fresh start in 2024, not devalue your home. Leave me a comment below if you're wanting to sell your home and you would at least consider waiting until 2024. Not right now through, like I said, mid-December, getting into the holidays. We've had a huge increase in home value here in Central Texas, so don't forget about capital gains. I have other videos addressing this, but quickly, up to $250,000 non-taxable profits from your home for single filers, $500,000 non-taxable from joint filers. Something really important, if you do an equity line of credit or a second mortgage on the property, the money you take out is non-taxable as well. Okay, so you can use that money to make a down payment on a new home, and you're still left with that equity in your home for your primary residence. You can move into a property and potentially rent your primary residence and get a little cash flow, help you pay for the new property and create generational wealth. You sell your home, that opportunity is gone. You're starting over, right? And people tell me the interest rates. Yes, rates are high right now, but your lower rate on your primary residence from years ago or a few years ago, right? And the rent amount you could get in this market, it may surprise you. It could help you make up the gap on the new property. You're taking out a new higher interest rate, right? But your lower interest rate on your original primary, okay, and then the rent that you're going to get, there should be a gap there. Okay, you should be making a profit. If you have finances and reserves to make this happen, do the math. This is the exact way a lot of us agents, real estate investors, create that passive income. Okay, that helps them retire. When you're making a decision to purchase or even stay put, figure out the worst case scenario so you're prepared. You don't want to get into another situation. You have a higher interest rate loan and then you can't pay your other loan. Okay, what's worst case scenario? How would you plan around this? Don't make the decision to sell out of fear. Okay. I have a goal to get 1,000 subscribers by 2024. It's a lofty goal, but that's my goal. So help me out, subscribe, help me reach my goal. And once again, think long term. Is your house going to be worth more down the line? Can you afford to hang on to it while getting something new? From my clients who tell me we are selling, we are comfortable with this, we are putting together a detailed plan. Once again, in this market, I detail in my video how to sell your home in 2023. It's out there, but you need a plan, right? If you're going to sell right now, you better be realistic with things, and that's fine. You know, that's what you need to do. You may have not liked everything you heard in this video, but this is my opinion, and I'm trying to help you avoid the pain. Every time I've sold, I've regretted it. You know, I've had much more properties right now if I would just hang on. So thanks, guys. See you on the next one.